Hey, just a quick update for everybody. Bring you up to date on what's been happening here and outside of Phoenix, Arizona. It's been hot, and I mean really hot, in the triple digits. So I have not been riding Martini in this hot weather. So our riding season down here is in the fall, winter, and spring, just the opposite of the folks up in the northern states, where they only ride in the summer, sometimes in the spring and into the fall, depending on where they live. So we're coming into our riding season here, fall, winter, spring, and I can't wait to get out on Martini and go some rides. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some pictures of my automobile restoration club that I belong to in our 55 plus community. So stay tuned and you'll see some shots from inside that facility. Today we're at my car club in Sun City West, Arizona. And this is an amazing place. It's a 55 plus community. And then you can join the car club here. And we have all these lifts. I'm working on my solar panels that I installed here at the club. This is a beautiful Mustang here. I think it's a 56. We have a paint shop.
And it wouldn't seal up there at all. So.
Body shop.
Yeah, he drilled his hole. I tried to drill it in farther, but it just kept falling in that hole, and I said, nah. Turn on the outside, what's the difference? Nice and tight.
Full paint booth. Drill press, welding. If you're into that sort of thing, welding. Another lift here, motorcycle lift slash golf cart lift. Another rotary lift. All the tools you could imagine. 10 of everything. Because people donate stuff when they depart. When they depart to the great Corvette in the sky.
He had it less than a year and started out here and bought a 71 to Cleveland, and he's been kicking it
Great place.
for 50 years.
Great place. Kind of a light day today at the moment, Tuesday. But it'll pick up. People love to change their oil here or just tinker around. This guy built this. The front end was smashed in and he restored the whole thing.